Whether you did not have the money to begin with, or you've paid an attorney or attorneys a whole lot of money to try to represent your interests in a custody case, many times fathers find themselves in a position, whether they like it or not, that they have to represent themselves. That's why we have our ProSe representation page here at the Dad's Resource Center website. There's some links, the 16 factors for consideration for custody in the state of Pennsylvania. You can download that, use it electronically, or print it off to take notes and prepare yourself for court here in Pennsylvania. Most states have factors like this. You may want to look it up, whatever state you're in, and find out. These are the things judges are supposed to consider. Now, sometimes they do, sometimes they just run from that primarily. A lot of times they get caught up in all these other tertiary things. The more you're aware of the factors, the more you build your case around them, and everything, every point that you make, that you have them be interwoven into the factors, and you can speak to that from the frame point of, this is one of the factors, Your Honor. This is a factor, good or bad, right? For good for you, bad for the other side, whatever it may be. You bring those factors up, you're talking more along the lines of where the headspace of the judge in the court is going to be. And these are the items that, again, technically by code should be considered. If it does come to an appeal and that goes on the court record, you can say, these are the points I made. That's a little more tangible, give you a little bit better shot on an appeal. We've also included a link to a ProSe Facebook page. This is a really good page. I strongly recommend you to join that group. There are a lot of people who've been through this. The people who run it are knowledgeable. They have some courses and classes that you can take there. But you can just real time, so to speak, be able to post and ask questions of people, and you're going to get some solid feedback there. And then we have some other people that the Dad's Resource Center is familiar with, we've collaborated with, listed here at the website. I'd strongly recommend that you look at their materials and see if you can get anything from what their information that they're putting out. Then you need to know about court. It's a quote I always say. It's something along the lines from Mike Tyson saying, everyone has a plan until you get punched in the nose, right? And that's what court is. It's very overwhelming, even for people who go in there and do it sometimes. For anyone who's never done it before, it's going to be tough. Don't try to overthink it. Don't bring in a cart with wheels on it with just a whole bunch of files that you have on the desk. Just figure out what your primary arguments are going to be, the big points you want to make, figure out how you can get evidence introduced, because that is more tangible and more considerable for the judges, and fit it into the factors. And then it's just a matter of taking your lumps and learning as you go along. It's not ideal. No one wants it. But sometimes it's what happens and what you have to do. And there certainly are fathers who've come to the Dad's Resource Center, or that we found out a bit, and I've been able to talk to, who have mastered these things and even been able to get appeals and have them ruled in their favor. A lot of people are resourceful and stick at it and work at it. So best I can say is good luck. And as always, you're in our thoughts at the Dad's Resource Center. Children need both parents to be in their lives, to be able to be happy and successful adults. They need their fathers just as much as they need their mothers. So good luck. And I hope that what we have here at the website will be useful to you. Thank you.